Hi, I'm Lara, and welcome to Happy Hub. This is where stories come to life, science gets playful, and we discover just how fun learning can be. Want to shape a cosmic story? In Once Upon a Galaxy, you decide what happens next. We create characters, choose paths, and set off on endless adventures. Take a safe and up-close look at the biggest star in our sky. With Star in your eye, you can see sunspots and flares. It's the sun like you've never seen it before. Join Mizu, our intergalactic traveler in the solar system. From Mercury to Neptune, it's science, story, and fun all rolled into one show. Want to hold the universe in your hands? In Cosmic Treasures, you'll meet real meteorites, ancient travelers billions of years old. Quick thinking meets cosmic adventure and through the wormhole. Through improv games and props, every choice launches a new galaxy of adventure. And in Lily's wild Arabian adventure, we explore deserts, seas, and mountains, meeting the incredible animals of the Arab world along the way. At Happy Hub, we spark joy, ignite curiosity, and celebrate imagination. From galaxies far away to animals right here at our home.